Hi, welcome to the Rares Report for Tuesday, July 9th. These reports are 100% powered by your likes. If you like this report, share it with a friend. Prices are gathered for these reports from live reports given by players through the game in the Quark Friends Chat, and then reported on the Discontinued items forum on Runescape. And I enter these into a spreadsheet and then make charts out of them and make these daily video reports. So these are the best possible price charts you can get for the price of rares on RuneScape over the past 24 hours, over the past week or so, and over the past month or so. And every day we review what the prices have been doing and make predictions about what's going on. Now, Easter egg prices have been going through this range for quite some time here, but you can see that it's getting slightly more volatile throughout the day as the prices are starting to move around more. Pumpkin prices slid off yesterday out of what I considered to be some important price patterns here, as we had a series of higher lows and slightly higher highs. This flag was indicating the prices are building up and going to go somewhere. I was expecting up, but the price has broken down. If we go on to Disc of Returning, prices slightly variable, down slightly for the day. And again, like many of the rares charts, we're seeing a buildup of a very large long-term triangle where we have lower highs and higher lows coming to an apex. Let's go on and check out a half jug of wine went up slightly, still making a monstrous triangle formation over the 1 month period. If we go on to the party hats, blue party hat went up slightly the day before yesterday and has stayed in that range. Purple came down and bounced off this range, seeming to create a little bit of strength right at these low levels. Again, a monstrous triangle formation, so that we're really watching for this market to explode. And yellow party hat dropped yesterday, continued to drop early in yesterday's trading, but then in the afternoon and through the evening, prices rose back up. Again, we're not out of the woods because of this massive triangle. The prices are really building up to a direction. Green party hat made a surprise drop out of this weekly tightening triangle and came down to these lows that it made earlier. So it's spiked down kind of strong a couple different times, and that makes me lose some confidence in the rares overall. Here's a fairly big triangle with a couple spikes down, but not quite as hard as the green party hat. But again, look at this massive triangle here. Prices are really building up to going somewhere. White party hat, and as I said, blue party hat and Christmas cracker all stayed at their posted ranges. If we go on to green Halloween mask, we can see that it's settled into a very lazy sideways channel. Slight uptrend, a little bit of, seems to me, slowing of this uptrend, and I like the wonderful little triangle formation at the end of this bigger triangle formation. Very interesting stuff coming in on this on the very small scale. And if we go on to blue Halloween mask, it's made a triangle within the day at the high prices that it's made for a while. Again, you can see another massive triangle here. Red Halloween, much the same. It's gone up and then flat, and again making this massive triangle. As we come up to the release of RuneScape 3.0, the markets are very uncertain. Santa Hat has come up over the past week, and we had a couple buy signals. They are very good, but be watching now to get out, I'm thinking. Even though the prices have hit the highest they have in some time, they are really at significant testing ranges now as they come back to these levels that they were before at the apex of another massive triangle. So the rares are really exciting right now. If you've got some money tied up in the rares, if you're thinking of investing, continue to watch these reports, because as the rares break one way or the other, this is going to separate the millionaires from the billionaires. Thanks again. This is Link Builder for your Rares Report, Tuesday, July 9th.